Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create an 1xBet account and claim bonus. First thing first, open the official 1xBet website or the mobile app, then click on the registration button at the top right corner. This will open the sign up form. 1xBet is flexible and offers 4 different ways to register. One-click registration, which is the fastest method with your country and preferred currency and ideal if you want to start betting immediately. Secondly, by phone number, just enter your phone number and verify it. And thirdly, by email, enter your email and then verify it. And finally, social media and messengers. Connect your account via Google, Telegram or other platforms, which is fast and convenient if you prefer linking your existing accounts. Now, depending on your chosen method, provide the required information and choose a strong password for security. And if available, enter a bonus promo code to unlock extra welcome rewards on 1xBet. Agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Now click register to complete the process. Save your account ID, password or confirmation code securely, and in some cases you may need to verify your identity by confirming via email or SMS. Once this done, your account is ready. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.